We used to think the strangest worlds existed only in science fiction, water worlds, desert planets with two suns, world made entirely of ice. But nature has a much darker, weirder imagination than Hollywood. Right now, in the cosmic dark, there are planets that seem to defy common sense. Planets where scientists think it rains of shredded glass. Worlds that may contain vast amount of diamonds and a place so dark it absorbs almost all the light that reaches there. Astronomers have now confirmed nearly 6,000 exoplanets, and there are some of the strangest ever discovered. Welcome to Exolodium. Today we are leaving our solar system behind to count down the most mind-blending, terrifying and fascinating exoplanets ever discovered. Let's dive in. First up, let's look at TRES-2b, located about 750 light years away. This gas giant is roughly the size of Jupiter, but unlike Jupiter, which reflects beautiful bands of white, orange and brown, TRES-2b is the coat of the universe. It reflects less than 1% of the starlight that reaches there, making it darker than charcoal and even black acrylic paint. Why is it so dark? Scientists think its atmosphere lacks the bright reflective clouds found on many gas giants because of its extreme heat. Instead, it's filled with light-absorbing chemicals like vaporized sodium and potassium. Because it orbits just 3 million miles from its parent star, the atmosphere reaches a blistering 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit or 980 degrees Celsius. Rather than reflecting much light, the planet glows with a faint air red from its own heat. If you could fly past it in a spaceship, it would resemble a gas giant burning ember drifting slightly through the darkness of space. At first glance, HD 189733b looks almost inviting. Its deep cobalt blue color resembles Earth's beautiful oceans, but don't let the appearance fool you. If you somehow visited this planet, you wouldn't die, you would be torn apart by one of the most violent atmospheres ever discovered. The brilliant blue color doesn't come from water. Instead, scientists believe it is caused by tiny silicate particles, essentially vaporized rocks and glass, that scatter blue light through the atmosphere. The planet is tidally locked, meaning one side constantly faces its star while the other remains in infinite darkness. The enormous temperature difference drives winds reaching nearly 5,400 miles per hour, almost 7 times the speed of sound. According to atmospheric models, these vaporized silicates can condense into tiny glass fragments. In other words, scientists think this world may experience sideways rain made up of glass blasted across the planet by supersonic winds. What if I told you there might be a planet worth more than the entire global economy multiplied by 1 billion? Meet 55 Cancri E, often nicknamed the Diamond Planet. This super-Earth is about twice the size of our own planet and completes one orbit around its home star in 18 hours. The incredibly close orbit pushes surface temperatures to a scorching 3,900 degrees Fahrenheit or roughly 2,150 degrees Celsius. Early studies suggest that because the planet may have formed in a carbon-rich environment, enormous pressures inside could have transformed much of its interior into crystalline diamond beneath a graphite-rich crust. More recent observations have revealed that the planet is likely even more complex than originally thought, possibly a volatile atmosphere above a global magma ocean. So, while the Diamond Planet nickname remains popular, astronomers still uncover its true nature. Either way, it's nothing where certainly anyone would want to go for mining. We know Saturn has spectacular rings, but Saturn looks almost modest compared to the object known as J1407b. Astronomers believe this giant object may possess large ring systems larger than anything before detected. The proposed ring system is estimated to be around 200 times larger than Saturn's, consisting of more than 30 individual rings stretching around 74 million miles or 120 million kilometers across. To put this into perspective, if J1407b replaced Saturn in our own solar system, those rings would be easily visible from Earth. They would appear significantly larger than our full moon, dominating the night sky like an enormous cosmic highway. Scientists are still studying these mysterious systems, but if these measurements are correct, it would be the largest planetary ring system ever detected. Finally, we have what many astronomers call the zombie planet, officially known as PSR B1257 plus 12 planetary system. These worlds orbit something that should have destroyed them long ago, a pulsar. A pulsar is a complex core of a massive star that exploded in a supernova. Normally, an explosion that violent would wipe everything around it. Yet somehow these planets either survived that catastrophic event or they formed afterwards from the debris left behind. Either possibility is extraordinary. The pulsar spins hundreds of times every second, sweeping intense beams of radiation across the surrounding planets. If you could somehow stand on one of these worlds, the night sky might glow with a brilliant aurora created by the relentless radiation interacting with whatever remains of the atmospheres. They are true ghost worlds, forever orbiting a corpse of a dead star. Out of the nearly 6,000 exoplanets we have discovered so far, it's clear that our little blue marble is a rare, peaceful oasis in the universe full of beautiful chaos. Which of these incredible worlds would you most want to see through a telescope? Let me know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to like, subscribe to Exolodium. Until next time, keep looking up.